So through everything going on in the world today, we were able to keep to schedule. We actually made up time. So what we do with our apartments, we'll say we will start taking leases in September 1st. It's 15,000 square feet. We have about 1,500 square foot retail in the center, and then we have 80 residential units. So we actually brought main fiber to the building, and fiber goes through the residential into each unit individually. So every unit has high direct fiber.
This past year, we've been getting the word out about the program. There's been a tremendous amount of interest. We've been working with Cedar Fair and Cedar Point in particular for this summer, setting up our co-ops. So we're really excited to be where we are today. What I'm most excited about is that students do have the opportunity, if they choose to live and learn in the same building. Our inaugural cohort actually began their classes yesterday, so we are so excited.
I'm so excited about all the students. I'm super passionate about the resort and attraction management industry, so getting to take this brand new journey with the students in this new facility in the great town of Sandusky is going to be an awesome experience.
It's moving so quickly. I'm so excited for the students to get here and to get in and to get settled in my office, and yeah, it's moving along beautifully. It's a fabulous building, and can't wait to get started.